Hello everyone, welcome to today's short video. We're going to be testing two computers. One here in the box that just came in the mail today. A customer has asked me to verify if their computer is good, and this computer I just rebuilt is the exact same part number and type, the A3M1, and this is going out on eBay. Sold it, rebuilt it. It was good to start with. So what we're going to do is, for my eBay customer, thank them for their business and verify that their computer works. So the fuel pump does a prime and then shuts off. Check engine light, nice and bright. Do that one more time and then I'll crank it. So what we're looking for here is a smooth, steady idle, no check engine light, and I should be able to rev it up pretty quick without any sputtering or distortion of any kind, and then it should drop right back down to a nice steady idle. And once this one's done testing, I'm going to open the other computer straight out of the mail, test it for my customer there, and that'll wrap up today's video. So let's go through the drive test. This is a bone stock 93 Mustang with 76,000 miles. That's why I use this as a test car. So I'd say that one's running perfectly. That's about how I normally will test my mass air computers before shipping them out. So excuse me while I'm going to go shut off the battery. I'm using a jump pack. And I'll come over here and take that one out, open the new one out of the mail. And we'll see if they run similar or different. So from my experience, the A3M1 is like a predecessor, a superseding part to the A9L. And I usually find these in a convertible application. So I know the one I'm testing is a 4-cylinder conversion, and these parts were purchased kind of separate of the vehicle. So that's not where this one came from. Let's go ahead real quick. I've been in pretty regular contact with this customer, but he knows I just pulled this out of the post office today, so go ahead and open it up. I believe we're trying to use this now in a 1989 automatic application. I already don't like how that sticker is pushed all the way over to the side. I hope that's on camera. Not something I'm used to ever seeing. And it looks like this tag has been well, I know that you guys had it opened up, but I don't like usually seeing manipulation on a computer, but we're gonna let this one slide because I know this was just opened up. Looking for burned circuits, bad parts. All right, nice and tight. show real quick. Just a nice, clean, original. Look at all these factory parts here. It's, like I said, that's why I use this to test my computers with. We're testing a stock computer with a stock application. So again, we're looking for fuel pump prime. Oh, I didn't smell anything when I took that computer out of the box. Sometimes if they're burnt, it can be a circuit, it could be a component. So those of you who are in the process of working with a computer, take a sniff at that thing, see if it smells like any kind of burning. But let's see what we get. So far so good. I got the fuel pump prime and a bright check engine light. Hear any misfire. Car's not shaking real bad. We'll see what it does on a nice rev here. I'll goose it once I know that the computer is in closed loop. I usually hold it in the 2 to 2500 RPM range, listen for any breakup. I think we have a good computer. No codes. Seems to rev up just fine. Holds idle. So we have just tested 2 computers, one coming in the door and one going out. Anyone interested in Massair parts, you can reach me at encorempw.com. Izzy, there's your working computer, so we'll talk about how to get that coming back to you. And thanks everyone for your time and attention. Subscribe if you like this content. Talk to you later.